Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Microsoft Store 0x80D0000A error. To start, in the search box, enter the command wsreset. Press on the command. You will see that a command prompt console opens and then the Windows Store. Finally, to complete the process, restart the operating system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.